Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this healthy and delicious ragi dosa. This is an instant recipe for crisp and thin dosas. It's also very helpful for weight loss. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe. In a big bowl, add all the ingredients. First up is 1 cup of ragi flour with 2 spoons of rice flour. Add 2 spoons of semolina. Add salt according to your taste, and these are all the dry ingredients. Now you have to mix all the dry ingredients until they're combined and gradually add some buttermilk so the consistency is good. To make this recipe more healthier, you can just use ragi flour excluding the other flour that I mentioned before, as ragi flour is extremely beneficial for weight loss and health-wise. Ragi is rich in iron and calcium, which is great for vegans and vegetarians. As a result, it helps maintain bone strong and avoids diseases like osteoporosis. Ragi also benefits in diabetes. Ragi flour creates a much lower surge in sugar levels compared to wheat flour. Once the consistency looks like this, you can add 1 spoon of jeera. Rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes before making the dosas. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to add all these ingredients and mix them together. You can add these into the batter directly, or you can use this other method that I'm going to show you today. So into the bowl, add some onions, ginger, chopped chili, and coriander. Combine everything in this bowl together. We have prepared our onion mixture and our batter. Now it's time to prepare the dosas. So in a large pan on medium flame, add some oil. Firstly, sprinkle the onion mixture all over the pan. If you want, you can also make plain ragi dosas excluding this onion mixture. Now pour the batter mixture over the onions. Sprinkle half or 1 teaspoon of oil from the top. The oil helps to absorb the nutrients in the millets faster into your body, so do not skip that step. Allow the dosa to get roasted on medium flame, and once it is roasted, flip it over to the other side carefully and ensure not to put it on high flame as it can get burnt. Once the dosa roasts to golden brown, fold the dosa and serve instant dosa immediately. Repeat the same steps as before to make another dosa. Start by adding some oil onto the pan and sprinkle some onion mixture. Pour the batter over the onion mixture. Drizzle some oil or ghee on the dosa. Once the dosa roasts to golden brown, flip over and cook. Finally, fold the dosa and serve instant ragi dosa immediately. You can see how crispy the dosa is. This dosa is not only crispy and tasty, but it is a healthy breakfast option, which can be enjoyed by the entire family. I'm serving this dosa with some peanut chutney. I've also made a video about this peanut chutney, so make sure you head over there. The link will be in the description down below, and check that out. It's also great for weight loss, and it has so many health benefits associated with it. I've also made a plain one without the onion mixture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Bye!